Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Winkins, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hold on a minute, before we go ahead and start the video, this room seems a little bit dark. It's hard to watch a video when the room's all dark. Hold on a second guys, let me go ahead and just turn on some lights for you so you guys can actually see me. There we go, that's a lot better. Didn't even have to stand up. Pretty cool, right? Well, go ahead and watch the entire rest of the video so you can figure out how I was able to accomplish this. Anyways guys, before we go ahead and jump into the video, my name is Joshua Winkins. My social medias are right here. My Facebook page is at Joshua Winkins Films. And go ahead, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. Anyways guys, so my name is Joshua Winkins. I do lifestyle videos, tech videos, vlog videos, and cinematic travel videos such as New York City. So anyways guys, let's jump into the main part of the video. That is a tech review video. So this tech review is on Philips Hue light bulb. I'm going to kind of break it down for you and tell you guys if it is really worth it to purchase this. Let me be flat out honest, no, it is not worth it to purchase this. Now let me explain a little bit because some of you might freak out. It is not worth to purchase this if you are an average person just looking for average light bulbs, but light bulbs to put in your house to make your house look cool. You say, ooh, color lights, those are pretty cool, I just probably get them. Let me tell you, stop, don't buy them. You know why? They're $50 each light bulb. They're very expensive for a light bulb. But let me tell you a reason you should buy it. If you are filming a YouTube video, having a party, having friends over, or watching a movie, it is great to set the mood. It makes your videos look incredible. So let me go ahead and jump into what Philips Hue light bulbs actually are. So they're basically light bulbs that you install in your house. You usually have a little wireless adapter, I'm not sure what you call it, but a picture of it is right here. You connect it to your Wi-Fi router, and then follow the steps, and you sync it to your phone. I use Apple HomeKit, an Apple product, and it's usually very easy. There's an Apple HomeKit code, should be on the bottom of that little white adapter thing. You'll be able to scan it with your iPad or phone, and it will connect to Apple HomeKit, and you can control it right off your iPad. Pretty cool, right? So basically what Philips lights are. They're basically lights that change color. For example, let me say I want to change one of these lights behind me, I don't know, light blue. There it's light blue. Let's say I want to change the other one, I don't know, let's say green. That's pretty cool, right? So that's basically what Philips Hue light bulbs are. They're light bulbs that you need to connect an adapter to the Wi-Fi router, and they change a whole bunch of colors, make it look extremely cool. So I highly recommend if you're just not going to just use this for like just your average everyday household, if you want to make your house look amazing, I highly recommend you buy it. Anyways guys, that's my little tech review of the Philips Hue light bulb. Hope you guys enjoy. I will have more of these tech reviews. Anyways guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace!